How to see block list on Snapchat. All you have to do is to launch your Snapchat application. Now, at the top left corner, click your profile. Now, once you're here, you can see some options below, but you just have to skip this one and go directly to this gear icon at the top right corner. This is your settings, and you have to tap this one in order for you to see the feature block. Okay, so once you tap this one, you have to scroll down, and under account action, you can see an option there that says block. So you have to click that one. But as you can see here, I didn't block anyone, or I haven't blocked any Snapchat user. So just in case you want to know how to block someone, all you have to do is to click this arrow block and go to your friends list. Okay, now you have to find someone that you wanted to block. For example, this one here, all you have to do is to tap that person's name, go to manage friendship, and then click block. Okay, so once you go back to your settings, you can see there that you have blocked at least one user on Snapchat. Go back to settings, go to account actions, and then click block. And you can see there I have blocked one person on my Snapchat. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next videos.